Y'all, I cannot believe we are on day 7 of Decluttering My Heart and My Life series. We have made it an entire week. We have not given up. We have kept going. I gave my son as long as I could for him to figure out what it is he didn't want to be thrown away, because he's pretty destructive, and my only rules for this cleanup was we're getting rid of trash, broken toys, and removing all dirty clothes. So he was concerned. However, he didn't really lose anything that he was worried about, which is great news for me as a mom. In no way do I want to go back on my word or make decluttering something that feels like a punishment or not something that they enjoy, because that is my goal. I want them to have joy in their life and more happiness. Okay, so we have to pull the broom out. I'm sure most moms can relate to having to do this. Get your stuff way back here. How do they do this? I don't know. Why do they do this? I don't know. Alright, that is just from underneath his bed. But it is cleared out under there, except for that side. I'm going to do that after I pulled out the other drawer. It's hard to get at that angle. But yeah, time to sort through that. Oh, he's my little helper. When it comes time to decluttering or downsizing the amount of toys that he has, we will have long conversations with him. Alright, now we need to carefully get this picked up, because we don't want the toys that are obviously trapped and crushed underneath it. Not that they're doing well, they're probably not doing well. However, if they are doing well, we don't want to destroy them. Yeah. My mom made these out of some solid wood. I think. If you're a wood guy and I'm wrong, don't come for me. I don't think this is the best idea of how to do this, but it's happening. We're doing it. Okay. Decluttering will come soon enough, and I want to know what he's really into. I want to know what he's excited about finding, and I want to see what he actually spends hours playing with. So this is actually a great tool of not doing and jumping the gun too soon. I want him to feel like he's in full control of what the decisions are and why they are happening, and what could happen if he did make those choices. Why do you two have to fight on top of my dustpan? They just what? Little man was just standing on it. Mama and baby. Just hissed at it. Oh. Little man. Oh my goodness. What tail? As most moms can relate to, breaks never last that long. Back to work. I wish I could just take my magic wand and just snap my fingers and all of this go away. Is it that easy? I don't know. Alright guys. Wouldn't hurt to try. Oh my goodness, it works. Wow, look. My son's room is finally clean and looks so nice, and I barely had to lift a finger. Except that's not reality, and that's not how this works. Here's how it actually works. If for whatever reason you find yourself comparing yourself and your family life and your home to other people's lives, family lives, and homes, that is, and I know you've heard it before, but that is their like highlight reel. That is what they want you to see, and that is what is shown to you. Remember that. Just because someone can snap their fingers and everything be done doesn't mean that's the reality of it. You have to put in the hard work. It's okay to be tired. It's okay to not want to do it. But just try doing it and watch how good you feel. And catch how clean my hands were this time compared to my daughter's art mess. I swear those charcoal art kits are a lot. Now, if you're a mom and you're gentle parenting, please, 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 please go get you a rug and go pick up a log and beat it. Just beat it. Yeah. Beat it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed day 7. This is a full week. We made it, and I can't wait to see what you guys have done this week. Please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Yes, I love this new product that I got. It is amazing if you have animals. However, don't let me talk you out of a good thing. We have Mother Nature, and the sun is a perfect antibacterial.